To make drawings more precise, you can use something called grid. And to work around with grid, first of all, you need to go around, select out your brush tool right here. And on the top right hand side right here, let me just go around and press the plus button right here. So once I do that, you can see guides as an option right here. And once you go to guides, you can see that what I can do over here is I can increase the number of lines and so forth right here. But I'm just going to go around and click the plus button. And here you have a lot of things, as you can see. I'm just going to go around and select square grid from over here and increase the number of lines right here, just like this. And you will be able to see the grid right here. So you can see that this is the point right here. You can go around, enable out the grid. And what you can do with the grid is if I were to go around and paint, you can see that I can just paint around straight lines right here, just like this. So I can go around over here and move out the center point, and that will be the reference. And here you can see that right now, I have this enabled out. So align with guide is here. So if I were to turn it off, then I can draw freehand right here. But if I were to go around like this, I can only draw in a straight direction, just like this. And draw out something precise right here, just like this. What you can do is you can change around the center point, or you can go around onto the side right here and then click and drag this out. And you can see you can draw from side as well. So you want to draw out straight lines, then you can use this guide right here. You can rotate around and then just start drawing a head, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can drag out the center right here. And then what you can also do is you can enable and disable the grid right here. So you can disable it, you can draw around, and it still draws in the grid, as you can see, but you can enable to see the grid over here as well. So there's different things, like there's full cursor display right here. So there's only small crosshairs, as you can see right here. And you can work around with guides as well. So guides are something that you can add on top as well. So here you can see that there's enable guides with eraser as well. So even if I were to go around with the eraser, it erases in a particular direction over here once I do that. You can also lock the grid, and that prevents you from accidentally moving around the grid as well. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, the plus button and select out ruler, then I get ruler right here. As you can see, a ruler is here. You can go around and use it same as the grid as well. So you can go around and then you can rotate this around right here. And just like the grid, you can see that I can go around and I can draw on that particular ruler. As you can see, I can drag this out right here. I can rotate it, click and drag to draw on that straight line, and click on this right here to align with guide to actually go around and draw freehand. And that is how you can work around with square, grid, and ruler inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.